Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video will be about immigration frauds and it is going to be a series. Okay, and I will ask a couple of questions from Mr. Hamad Siddiqui, who is a LinkedIn coach and who has been helping new immigrants settle in Canada through optimization of their LinkedIn profiles. And he has been living himself in Canada for over 15 years. And therefore, I decided to ask him about immigration frauds or scams that are out there, and I will invite him to share his opinion on this one.
Really, today's job diverse and dynamic and quick. A lot of people still are suffering with some draws though, but the opportunities are brilliant. So anybody who is qualified enough, the age is in favor, and the resources are there, which is good, they can migrate. And Canada is planning 1.2 million immigrants. So that is an opportunity for people who play games. So a lot of people commit fraud within the immigration space are also very active. So when people are looking for an advice or suggestion, they really need to look at credible source of information. And the most credible source of information is CIC's own website. The other frauds could be, fraudulent documents people are submitting. Believe me, if you are once in the bad books, which is if you're blacklisted, you're out of the game, from the game. So always keep your documents really tidy and original. Do not even think about adding any fraudulent document. Someone in my network, in relationship, they applied and their immigration consultant based in that specific country added just one fraudulent document. They were issued visas, but by the time they landed, that particular document was highlighted and picked up as a fraudulent document. When they landed at the airport, their visas were cancelled and they had to go back. So it's very, very sensitive. We generally recommend to our friends is to work with a regulated immigration consultant. And why so? Because regulated immigration consultants have to go through an examination process. They have to apply for registration, and there is a body, an authority in Canada that registers those qualified immigration consultants, and they're answerable to them whenever they go back for their renewal of their membership. So fraud is big. You have to avoid, you have to be watchful. If somebody reaching out to you over email that they could get you a work visa or the job letter, you have to be very, very careful.
So from this conversation, I gather that job offer could be a very scammable option for the people living outside of Canada. So if somebody sees a consultant who says that give me this amount of money and I will give you a job offer, then what are the ways or how can we identify if a job offer is genuine or not? Do you have any idea about this one? Because especially people in UAE and the Gulf states, they are actually they fall prey to those consultants and they pay them for gaining a job offer. So like how to identify whether the job offer is a genuine one or not? Please share your opinion on that.
This is a great question, Ali. If you get a job offer, what kind of a job offer that would be? Extremely sensitive. A lot of people think just a letter from a company is a job offer. That's not true. Job offer has to be certified and approved by the Canadian government or the authority. And the process is quite long. So only and only if you want to follow that process, you really need to see that the job offer is officially issued by the Government of Canada. The only person that can review and review your application is the immigration officer. So if anybody else, if a third party is reviewing it, you have to be very careful about it. So fraud is big. We all have to protect ourselves from those frauds. And once you give them the money, then the money is gone. Or even if somebody submits your fraudulent document, you are in trouble. So desperation is fine, but you have to be very careful when you're applying for Canadian immigration. frauds are big, and again I say you have to avoid all those frauds and stay safe. Keep your money safe and keep your reputation safe.